New Orleans Real Estate Investments offers a wealth-building opportunity. But like any investment, there are times when it might be best to cash out. Here at REvitalize Property Solutions, we understand that navigating the complexities of rental properties can be challenging. That's why we've put together this video to help you identify the signs that it might be time to sell your investment property. So, let's dive in and review the red flags that may indicate it's time to sell your New Orleans real estate investment property. A healthy real estate investment property generates income that exceeds its expenses. However, if your rental income consistently falls short of covering your mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, repairs, and maintenance costs, you're experiencing negative cash flow. This is a major red flag, indicating your real estate investment might not be performing as expected. Selling the property and reinvesting the proceeds into a more profitable venture could be a wiser move. Vacancy periods mean lost rental income. If your New Orleans property sits empty for a long time, it's a clear sign something's amiss. Consider reevaluating your rental strategy. Are your rental rates competitive with the local market? Does your property need renovations or upgrades to attract tenants? If you've exhausted all options and the vacancy rate remains high, selling the property might be a better solution. Real estate markets fluctuate. While property values typically appreciate over time, there can be periods of decline. If you notice a consistent downward trend in your neighborhood's property values, selling now might be better than waiting because the market can potentially worsen. Rental properties require ongoing maintenance, but major repairs like roof replacements or foundation issues can be a big financial burden. If your New Orleans property needs extensive repairs beyond your budget, selling it before these problems escalate could save you money in the long run. Sometimes life throws curveballs. A job relocation, a growing family, or an unexpected financial need can necessitate selling your real estate investment property quickly. In such situations, weigh the pros and cons of holding on to the property versus freeing up capital to address your immediate needs. At REvitalize Property Solutions, we understand that selling a rental or an investment property can be a complex process. If you're facing any of the challenges mentioned, we can help. We specialize in helping New Orleans property owners like you navigate the selling process quickly, efficiently, and hassle-free. Thinking about selling your New Orleans real estate investment property? Contact REvitalize Property Solutions. We offer a free consultation to discuss your options and explore solutions that meet your unique needs. Give us a call today or visit our website to learn more.